Hello everyone, I hope you are doing safe and well. Now you don't have to sit and refresh the website or Aarogya Setu app the whole time to get an appointment for vaccination. I will share a Telegram link from where you can know the availability of the vaccines in your area. By following the same Telegram group, I have successfully booked a vaccine slot for my father. There are a lot of websites where you can sign up for notification and they will send you emails regarding the slot availability of the vaccine. Earlier, even I have applied for email notifications but didn't receive any of them. Later I came to know that lot of these kind of websites are not working. This Telegram link which I have shared is as of now 100% working. If it stops working, then I will add an alternative source from where you can get the vaccine notification. You can find all the links in the description section. But before we go ahead, the first step is to register yourself. If you have already registered, then you can skip this step using the timestamp from the description box. You can register either by CoWIN website or Aarogya Setu app. Both have the same steps. First I will start with the Aarogya Setu app. After installing it from the Play Store, enter your phone number, get OTP, enter your OTP. Here you have to register a member. You can add up to 4 members from one mobile number. Now choose photo ID proof as per your wish and enter its number, and note that you have to carry the original photo ID proof while visiting for the vaccination. Then name as per your document, gender and year of birth. Tap on submit. You have successfully registered one member. You will receive a text message as an acknowledgement. To add more members, click here to add beneficiaries and follow the same steps. Now you can schedule the vaccination for one or more members together. Here either you can search through PIN code or click here to find with state and district. While registering from CoWIN website, the steps are the same. Without the knowledge of vaccine availability, it becomes very difficult to find the vaccine slots. Now download the Telegram app from the Play Store. I have added the links from where you can join this Telegram group. In this group, you will be notified by live vaccination slot availability near your place. For example, I will click on Above 45 website. There is also Under 45 link which is in the description. Select your state and district and click on this icon. Open it with Telegram and join this group. Now anytime a new vaccination slot arrives in your selected area, then you will be notified. Let's see this Telegram group doing its job. I have got a notification at 1:29 PM and the current time was 1:32 PM. Again you can book a slot by either Aarogya Setu app or CoWIN website. Now I will quickly log in. OTP, schedule vaccination, enter the PIN code which is 40056. It is a paid vaccine. Find the vaccination center, Nanavati Hospital. Here you can see there are 163 slots are still available. Select the time, click on proceed, enter the CAPTCHA and book the slot. This will be not as smooth as it sounds, so there might be some glitch while you try to book a vaccine, so you should keep trying. In my case, I couldn't receive an OTP and I think it was the 6th attempt all the OTPs came together and I had entered the latest one and then proceed. By following the Telegram group, I have successfully booked a vaccine slot for my father, and this hospital is just 10 minutes walking distance from my home. You can read the instructions here. It was my father's second dose, so while booking, make sure that both the doses are of same vaccine. After booking, you have to download the appointment letter. Carry the soft copies of your appointment letter, first dose certificate if the first dose is done, and the original document which you have used to register at the beginning. If you want to reschedule, then you can do this by clicking on this. After the vaccination is over, you can download the certificate. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, then let me know in the comment section. Stay safe and thank you for watching.